Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and cheap, affordable cold air system for your 335. So first thing you want to do is you want to disconnect the stock air box. Into that you have to remove this screw here, which I've actually already done. But you see it attaches to here. And then you want to remove the back one right there, which attaches to that. So it's 2 screws, and then you got a couple of these latches here, and then you open the box up, make it easier on you. You don't have to do that, but it gives you more room to look in the back. And then simply just take these off out of here, because these have little latches that go onto this air box. And then just pop this whole thing out. I have these little grommet things, no screws, just grommets. Pop that out, put that on the side. And in order to make this whole entire process easier, I removed the cowl here. Took out the filter, which is about 4 screws, and then just popped out the cowl by removing these 3 little switches, and most importantly this hose that goes on the bottom of it. So once you get that out, this whole entire process is a breeze. All your materials. It's about a long pipe, PVC pipe, 2-inch diameter, and then to go with that, about 2 color matching filters from eBay at $11 a piece. So $22 for this. I think $5 for that. It's already got the clamps on it. I'm trying to know what the other one is. And then I'm gonna cut it off and paint. So I'm gonna measure, cut, and paint. I got a saw for $9, so that should make it a whole lot easier. All right, let's get to doing the next step. We have our 2 pieces cut up. One's about 4 inches, the one's about 5 inches. This doesn't really have to be exact. You can always adjust it inside the tube, or the filter will slide over it, so no problem there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mock up what it would look like before I paint these bad boys black. So let's get to that. Check it out. Put the tube in this side, slid the filter right over it. Fits good. Stuck my tube in the last pipe, and then put this filter right over it. You can always adjust these how you want it to stand. And there you go, just like that. We have a custom intake setup. Save yourself about 100 to 200 bucks doing this yourself. All these materials cost me $29.99. That's with the paint, and I bought some other stuff. So essentially this whole entire build would probably cost about $40. So if you want to do it yourself, save some time, customize it the way you want, this is probably the best way to do it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys at the end. I'm going to put everything back together and the finished product. Thank you. And you got the black piece on there. That's the PVC that I repainted, both in the front and the back. Installed that no problem. It was a breeze. Set it up the way I wanted to. Retightened, finished that, and then I put this little filter, this little air duct here that gives it a little bit of cool air. Although it's right next to the engine, it does get pretty hot. So I would recommend doing this in the winter time, not so much in the summertime. So keep your stock air box, and then just reconnect all your stuff, all your little fittings, and then your cowl, and all the hoses that run on it, and electrical features. Okay, that's how you make a $40 custom intake. Let me know. I can probably make some of these for about 60 bucks, ship them out. All right, look forward to hearing from you guys.